welcome to the Spring Mix podcast. I'm Raphael, PS17 science reporter. My favorite pet is a dog, and today I'll be talking about the different plants in the science room. In the science room, there is a hydroponic indoor garden, meaning there's no soil. Everything runs on water. The National Park Service website says hydroponic plants are exposed to light, allowing them to photosynthesize, and nutrients are mixed into the water. These include phosphorus, nitrogen, and calcium. Did you know 90% less water is used in hydroponics than normal farming? That's really cool. I wanted to know how hydroponic systems help plants survive only using water. Today we're going to take a tour into the science room and look at the hydroponic indoor garden. Welcome to room 209, the science lab. It's a hydroponic indoor garden. I see a lot of plants and I hear the sounds of running water. We're about to walk over to the hydroponic systems and take a look at all the plants. Let's go. We are here nearby the strawberries and there's a lot of leaves. I see white flowers and some strawberries that look dried up, and the leaves are like a dark green. They're sitting in white containers. The next plant we have is cucumbers. It's like a vine. It's way bigger than me, and there's some cucumbers growing out of the stem. The next plant is the peppers. They're also growing on a vine, and they're bigger than me. The peppers, there's different colors. There's green, there's yellow, and there's red. The next plant we have is mint. It's smaller, but it's a lot of leaves and it smells minty. The mint is growing in a hydroponic tower. The next plant we have is the lettuce. It's growing differently because it's on a little platform and there's cups that are holding it. I'm Raphael. See you later. Welcome back to the studio. I'm here with Mr. Courtney, who's going to interview me about the hydroponic indoor garden.
All right, so Raphael, what is something that stuck out to you as you were looking at the plants?
Something that stuck out to me was the strawberries because I could see some of them growing.
How big were the strawberries?
They were maybe the size of a quarter.
So not fully grown yet, right?
No.
Okay. As you were walking around, did you see something that maybe you would probably try at home or something that you would take with you to tell you like your parents or your other friends about the place?
I would take home the lettuce because me, my mom, and my dad like to eat lettuce.
Like to eat lettuce? Would you grow something?
Yeah.
What was the one thing you grow? Not lettuce.
Strawberries.
Strawberries. That makes sense. So have you learned about this during school? So how exactly does it work? How's the water flowing through to help the plants grow?
The water flows through. It's like rain. It comes down and then the plants get the water with their roots.
What about the lights? How is that helping the plants grow?
The lights help the plants grow by letting them photosynthesize.
Right. How did it feel in there just to be surrounded? Because it's not something you see every day in the classroom. So you're walking around, you're surrounded by plants and desks and chairs. It's like a weird combination, right?
Yeah.
This is not the usual place for plants to grow, but you have it inside of a classroom. So as you're walking, what were you feeling?
I felt good because I felt connected to nature.
All right. So Raphael, do you think there should be more plants in classrooms?
I think there should be more plants in classrooms because when plants photosynthesize, they give you oxygen, so the plants give you more air.
And also it's just like a more hands-on learning experience, right?
Yeah.
Do you think more food should be grown in hydroponic systems?
I think more food should be grown out of hydroponic systems because it takes less water than normal farming. Thank you, Mr. Courtney, for being on the podcast, and thank you for listening about our school's hydroponic indoor garden. I'm Raphael. See you next time.